Hello and welcome to the another video series of understanding the rich landing bundle. Today we're going to learn specifically about the product styling. So product styling consists of many subtopics in the rich landing bundle. So to understand it better, I will gonna make a video series for that. So first of all, we will study the product grid, right? So the product grid controls how products are arranged and displayed within the bundle, including layout, type, spacing, and alignment, right? So let me walk you through the product grid. So for it, you need to go to the styling, go to the products, and here we go. You can see there are a lot of subtopics in the product styling. So let's go to the product grid. So product grid, you can see here product card display. You can display the products either in grid or in slider. It's in grid form, you can change it to slider. You can see here you can also change for things like card with desktop. You can change also the card with desktop, and you can change the things for tablet mobile. For example, I go for the mobile. You can change the width for the mobile also from here. And also the one of the cool thing I see about this bundle app is you can change the arrow. For example, I can change arrow for the mobile and see the arrow style of the mobile is changing. If I go for the desktop, you can see it's changing. This is very amazing. Also, you can change the container appearance from here as well. Let's set back it to the grid, right? So let's come down. You can see the card width for the desktop, tablet, mobile. You can set it accordingly. Container appearance, you can change the color appearance of the container. Also, you can set the border color also, and you can set the border style. You can set it solid. For example, if I set the color, set the blue color, and if I set the blue color and set a border color over here, you can see the border color here, right? So let's set it back. Let's come down. You can see the container dimension for the desktop. For the horizontal gap, you can see you can change the horizontal gap products between the products, and you can change the vertical gap. You can change the padding inline. You can change padding top. You can see here. You can change the padding bottom. You can change the padding bottom. You can change the border radius. You can change the border width from here accordingly. In some margin top, margin bottom, you can set the thing accordingly. Let's also discuss about the product card. So you can see the product card. You can see the show quick view. So this is actually the quick view. You can see here. If I uncheck it, you won't see here. If I check it, you will see this quick view here. So this is the image ratio here. You can set it 3:4. You can set it 4:3. You can set it auto original. It's up to you. And for the image display, you can set it image slider. And you can see in image slider, you can see the option here, image sliding option here, and there is no other option here because this product have couple of media images, and the other images you can see they don't have more than one image. Then that's why the slider image option is not showing in this product. Let's set back into the single image. So let's go. So show hover image. So this is the hover image. You can see here the same thing. This product have multiple uh, images. That's why this effect is showing here, not other images, right? So you can see the image. You can set it content, or you can set it cover. All right. So let's go cart layouts. You can set it horizontal, and you can set it vertical, right? But you can set the border style also. You can change the border color, you can change the background color. You can see here background color. It's, you can set it accordingly. And you can also set the box shadow. You can set the content background, whatever you want. You can also set image border style. There are multiple styles here. You can set whatever you want. And you can set the border image border color, right? You can set, there are a lot of color options you can choose from there. So let's go down. You can also set image box shadow. There are a lot of, the box shadow here. So you can also hover effect. You can, this is the hover effect. You can see, let me walk you through back. So you can also set the hover border color. You can set the hover border color as well. It's transparent. Let's go, let's leave that. Let's go further. You can select the select badge, like the badge color. You can see here, you can set it. So this is actually the badge color. You can set it black, and set it any you want. So the text color, you can see the white. You can change it to any color you want. So this position, you can right now it's the top left. You can set it top right, and top bottom, top right, and so on. So on discount page, you can also change the background color of the discount page. You can change the discount color page. You can see here. So to make it enable, I have to add to cart some products. So you can see here I have changed the color to the blue. So you can see the discount page blue here. So let's go further. You can set the text color also. You can also set the position. Right now it's like the top left. You can set it bottom and right. Also you can let's come down this product card. You can see the product card, the cart radius. You can set the cart radius of the product card, and you can set the border width. You can set the horizontal padding. You can set the padding top. You can set the padding top. You can set the padding bottom. You can see here also. You can see the, let's come to, it comes to the image container. In image container, you can change the image margin bottom. Let's come here. So you can see it's changing. And also the border radius bottom, border radius top. You can see the bottom radius top is changing. You can also set the bottom radius bottom, same like this. And also image border width, you can change the image border width. And you can change the image padding. You can see the image padding is changing. Same like you can change the content container. You can say the padding top. You can see the padding top is changing. You can also set the padding bottom. You can change see it, and horizontal padding address. Let's come down to the selected page. So this is actually the selected page. You can change the font size of the selected page. You can change it. You can change the font weight. You can change the padding in line for this, and padding block. You can see, you can change it. You can change the border radius. Wait till secure. You can change into this. You can change the vertical offset. You can see here, and you can also set the horizontal as well. Right, so let's come to the discount page. This is actually the discount page. You can change the font size of the discount page. You can change the pound weight. You can change the padding inline. You can change the padding block. Let's see here. So you can change the border radius. You can see the border radius. So you can vertically offset it just like this, and you can set it horizontally as well. So that's it for this. So furthermore, we will discuss the product card information, product option, quantity, widget, and add to cart button, and we will discuss it further that how can we customize it accordingly. So see you then.